Number 1. 1988 Chevrolet 1500. Price $7,000. This is a well-maintained truck with an estimated 100,000 miles, though the odometer has stopped working. It features a blue exterior with a matching blue interior and an automatic transmission. A new 5.7L 350 engine and transmission were installed approximately 8,000 miles ago, ensuring strong performance. The truck runs and drives perfectly, with all systems functioning as they should. Several key components have been replaced, including a new fuel pump and tank, brakes, shocks, and a completely rebuilt front end with all new steering components. Additional upgrades include a new ECU chip, exhaust system, high-pressure oil pump, distributor wires, and spark plugs. With a clean title and numerous recent improvements, this Chevrolet 1500 is a solid and reliable truck. Number 2. 1984 Chevrolet Silverado. Price $10,000. This short bed pickup boasts a striking two-tone blue and gray exterior, complemented by a navy blue interior. Powered by a reliable 305 engine, it has accumulated 159,885 miles and remains in fairly good condition for its age. The truck is equipped with air conditioning, adding to its comfort and convenience. While it could use a thorough cleaning and detailing, the body and interior have been well preserved over the years. Its classic design, solid frame, and strong motor make it a great candidate for restoration or daily driving. Whether kept as is or upgraded, this Silverado holds plenty of potential for any classic truck enthusiast. Number 3. 1988 Chevrolet Cheyenne. Price $9,500. This is a rare and hard-to-find short bed, step-side, single-cab truck. It is powered by a strong 350 V8 engine with headers and an Edelbrock carburetor, delivering solid performance. The truck features a newly rebuilt automatic transmission, a new true dual exhaust system, a new sliding rear window, and nearly new white leather tires. The exterior is in good condition with no rust, making it a solid classic pickup. While the truck runs well, it does need some attention, including an AC recharge, a replacement climate control module, and upholstery work. Number 4. 1985 Chevrolet C10. Price $8,900. This is a well-preserved classic with 133,500 miles, featuring a brown exterior and matching brown interior. It runs and drives great, powered by a strong 350 engine with a 600 Edelbrock carburetor and dual exhaust. The truck handles smoothly, with power steering functioning perfectly. The body is in excellent shape with minimal rust or imperfections, and the frame and undercarriage are in great condition. Inside, the truck has a clean and well-maintained interior, featuring newly installed carpet and a rare bench seat in impressive condition with only minor wear. An upgraded radio and stereo system enhanced the driving experience. The heater works perfectly, and while the truck was originally equipped with air conditioning, the compressor is not currently installed. Overall, this C10 is a solid, well-kept classic that offers both style and performance. Number 5. 1970 Chevrolet C10. Price $8,800. With 91,000 original miles on the body. It features a factory 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, along with factory-installed air conditioning. The engine was professionally rebuilt in 2005, with receipts available for verification. The truck also includes the original owner's manual and complete documentation for past maintenance, making it a well-documented example of a vintage Chevy pickup. Additionally, it comes with the rear tire skirts, adding to its originality and charm. The exterior still wears its original orange paint, which has been well maintained over the years and cleans up nicely despite some chips and minor imperfections. The body is in good condition overall, with no major issues, and the black interior complements its classic appeal. While it could use a little TLC, it remains a solid and reliable truck that runs and drives well. Number 6. 1964 Chevrolet 1500. Price $9,500. It features a 350 engine paired with a 4-speed transmission and a granny gear. The truck has been converted to 4WD using axles from a 1974 model while retaining its original frame. With a green exterior and matching green interior, it runs and drives well, with fully functional 4WD, working lights, and a heater. Though it has some rust in the bed and a few other areas, it remains solid overall. Additional parts, including a replacement driver's door, are included. While not a show truck, this Chevy is a great candidate for restoration or off-road use. It does have an oil leak at the back of the intake or valve cover, but the truck is still very drivable and capable of handling tough terrain. With some TLC, it could become an even better classic workhorse. Number 7. 1967 Dodge D100. Price $10,000. with a solid body and a strong running engine. It comes equipped with power steering and power drum brakes, making it a comfortable and manageable drive. The truck has no rust-through, though there are a few areas with paint bubbles and some missing paint where fuel spilled while filling the tank. It has a few minor dents and scratches, which are expected for its age, but overall, it remains in great condition. The interior features a re-upholstered seat that retains its original design, adding to its classic appeal. Mechanically, the truck runs well but could benefit from some minor adjustments, such as fine-tuning the carburetor and adjusting the brakes for optimal performance. Despite these small needs, it remains a dependable driver with great potential for restoration or customization. Whether used as a weekend cruiser or a project truck, this D100 offers a solid foundation with its well-maintained body, classic styling, and vintage charm. Number 8. 1985 Chevrolet 1500. Price $5,900. With 57,300 miles, featuring a powerful 350ci V8 engine, an automatic transmission, and rear-wheel drive. Its blue exterior is complemented by a black interior, and it runs on gasoline. Recent maintenance includes brand new tires, a new performance carburetor, and a full tune-up and service, ensuring optimal performance. This truck starts up effortlessly, runs strong, stops reliably, and is ready to hit the road without any additional work needed. With its solid build and timeless design, this Chevy 1500 is a great choice for anyone looking for a dependable classic pickup. It offers a smooth and powerful driving experience, making it perfect for both work and leisure. Number 9. 1989 Ford F150. Price $5,500. With just 68,000 miles on the odometer. It is powered by a strong 302 V8 engine paired with a manual transmission, ensuring reliable performance and a smooth driving experience. The truck runs and drives great with no major issues. Both the air conditioning and heating systems are fully functional, adding to its comfort and convenience. The body is clean, free from rust or leaks, and maintains its original red exterior. While the truck may need a few minor repairs, none of them affect its drivability or performance. The paint could use some freshening up, but it's ready to be driven as is. With a clean title in hand, it's an excellent opportunity for any truck enthusiast looking for a dependable and iconic pickup. Number 10. 1993 Chevrolet 2500. Price $5,000. With 147,000 miles and a powerful 7.3-liter 454 engine. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive that functions properly, and a clean title. The exterior is finished in white with a gray interior, and it sits on BF Goodrich K02 tires that are in excellent condition. Recent maintenance includes a new alternator and a brand new battery, along with a newer Kenwood head unit for upgraded audio. While the truck runs and drives, it does have a transmission fluid leak that requires a new front seal. It remains drivable as long as the fluid level is monitored. The paint exhibits the typical peeling seen on Chevys from this era, but overall, it remains a dependable and capable vehicle with plenty of life left.